I pick her up earlier than usually just to make her calm down a bit. When I go, her nose running, eye running.
Yeah, she just jumped and put herself in the... No!
No. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Every morning, this morning, when I'm telling you guys morning, I'm breaking out in dance. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new, busy, what should I say? Productive start to the morning. Babe and I woke up at 5:30 and we got our workout in like we wanted to do. That went okay. I'm proud of Babe for even starting, for even waking up, and he's not a morning person, so I'm happy about that. Sarah, come here. I got dressed, got fresh. Come Sarah, come to mama. Got the kids ready. Sarah is heading out to her 1 hour trial at school this morning. So today's a big day again for Princess. Look at her. She's all dressed and ready to go. You want green juice?
Green juice.
So Sarah is ready for school. Tyler is ready for school. And I'm heading out to drop the entire crew off. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. Baby's already out. Baby's already out to the office. Everybody is getting to their respective places on time this morning. Drink. Getting to their respective places on time this morning, so that's good. So hopefully you guys are having a good day and a productive day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. Come say good morning to the babes, Tyler. Drink, Sarah, drink. You're too cute. Say good morning.
Konnichiwa. What's wrong? Does that mean hello?
We don't speak Chinese on this channel. We
It's
only
not
speak
Chinese.
Is what?
Japanese.
Oh,
Konnichiwa.
we don't speak Japanese on this channel. Please to greet the face the way you normally do.
Bonjour.
You play too much. I don't have time this morning. Say wagwan.
Bonjour. That's better.
Yes, and wagwan.
Wagwan.
Turn around.
Wagwan.
You see your face in a post board.
Sarah. Wagwan.
She said wagwan face.
Sarah, say wagwan face.
Say see you no later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you no later.
Alright you guys, my babies. Look at Sarah with her little bag on her back. Look at her. Whoa, my baby ready. You ready?
I'm not ready. I didn't even do my mask.
So put your mask in. I'm not gonna leave you, boy. Anyway, you guys, I'm out to do these drop-offs. So I'll tell you guys how all of it go. You guys, the more the 1 hour draw closer to Sarah going to class, the more nervous I become. So I bring my breakfast. I'm having a yogurt and cereal. I already reached Sarah class 1 hour in advance. I know that would happen because her class this morning is 10:30 and I came straight after dropping Tyler. I didn't go back home, so I'm just at the park just beside her school, letting her play a bit, and I'm eating my breakfast, and then in no time it will be time to bring her in. So 1 hour to make her be out by herself today. There she is playing. Hi, baby. You come for yogurt? You come for yogurt? You guys, and just like that, my baby girl is in school. Oh my gosh. She didn't even care to tell me bye. I kissed her, tell her bye, and she didn't even look at me. She was well on her way playing, so I just left. I didn't want to distract her anymore. But she's in, and right now I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. But I'm gonna find somewhere to sit down and read a book until her hour is up, and then I'll go and get her at 1 hour time. So I'll find out if she cried or if she missed me when I go back and pick her up. I'll update you guys. I didn't want to film when I drop her off because of the so many kids in there, and you know, but just know that she went in fine. She didn't cry. She tell me bye. She didn't tell me bye. She didn't care for. She just kissed me and go about her business. So she's in. You guys, I'm laughing, but it's serious. It's 30 minutes in and the school called me, asked me if I can come by because Sarah is crying and it's very hot for her and she's not stopping to cry. Oh my god, so my heart is beating so hard. I knew she was going to cry, but she have to adjust. But I'm going to pick her up 30 minutes early. They asked me to come by, so that didn't go well at all. I was hoping she would still be the happy person I left, but she's crying, so let's go get her. My big girl, you cried? You cried for Mama, Sarah? You cried? Mama left? Huh? Mama leave you at school? That's okay, you will get used to it. You have to get used to it, princess. Come on, let's go home. Let's go home, my baby. Home. I'm smiling. I'm not sad at all. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. It's the start of a new journey, and there's no way we can expect to change somebody's routine like that and expect her to just adjust at the first day. Yes, Sarah, look at her. Yes, Sarah?
TV?
No TV. That's okay. Go and play with doll. Go and play with doll. Okay?
Okay. I will open inside. No.
Mama says no, that's okay. You guys, so we can't expect her to just adjust that day one, but I was expecting her to be in better spirits based off how I left her, but that's okay. It's only day one. I'm gonna go back again at day 2 tomorrow and go back again at day 3 on Friday. Though it take a wrong turn, it take a little oops. We're gonna do what we gotta do and make it work. It have to work. She have to learn to let go of Mama. Mama have to leave her baby girl, because if it was September, there is nothing I could do. I would have to just give her over all day. Yeah. So tomorrow is a new day and we'll see how that will go. But for now, we are back home. She ate lunch and I'm gonna put her down for a nap in a bit. You're here to asking for TV. I'm also trying to cut down on our TV time so that when she at school she don't say TV. Anyway, you guys, wish me luck. Send me all the love and the strength, because deep down my heart is broken, but that's okay. Your girl got this. We got this. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna do what we gotta do around here. Keep the vibes positive, keep it going. And she's over there playing ball. Mama said no TV and she understood clearly that Mama said no TV. See, she playing ball. She's okay. Kick, bravo! Good job, Sarah. Kick. 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 Yay! Go again. Kick. 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 Yay! Go again. Go get it. Get it. Yeah, go again. Kick. And kick. Yay! Good job. Kick. Kick. Yay! Good job. Go again. You're too cute. Finish? Okay. Okay. You guys, I'm here multitasking. Putting in this chicken in the oven. Doing homework with this one. Say hello.
Wag wag.
What?
Wag wag.
Well, that one is over there eating lollipop. Look at her.
Is the one that was there?
What?
Your lollipop there, black.
Yes. She saw it and said, bonbon. Bonbon, please, Mama. Bonbon. She didn't even say it in English. She was saying it in French. Okay, spell the word. Judy.
J-E-U-D-I.
Bravo. Spell the word gentil.
Gentil ou gentil?
Gentil.
G-E-N-T-I-L-L-E.
Bravo. Here goes dinner for today for my babies. That's Tyler's spinach and rice and chicken. And that's Sarah's green beans, rice and chicken. Ty? Ty? Dinner is ready. This is dinner for baby and I. This is a mixture of bulgur, quinoa, and some veggies. The same with a little spinach and chicken breast, and I'm having chicken thigh. Dinner for the fam bam.
Hi guys. Why are you looking at me like I'm coming out? Or I'm about to do something wrong?
Cause I heard you start singing, so I was waiting for the rest of the song.
You look at me like I did something weird.
Not that you always do something weird, but that's
You
not
look
why I
at
look
me
at
like
you.
if I did something weird. You're making me
I was
feel
waiting on the
guilty.
song.
Am I guilty?
You guilty of not singing the song? I was here waiting on the...
No, I shy. Did I do something
You
wrong?
shy?
Yes, I am.
You shy?
Yes, I am. Mr. Me.
That's kind of true. Have you seen somebody very shy but yet very bold at the same time.
Very what?
He's very shy yet he's very bold. Isn't that true? That's a good description of you. If somebody say Luda is very shy, that is so true. And if they say he's very bold, that is true. But it's true though. No?
Yes, if I don't know you, I won't talk to you.
Exactly. And if he's comfortable around you, honey child, be ready like my sister-in-law. This man give my sister-in-law hell
I'm not comfortable
every
with
day.
her.
I'm gonna let you see that she go kill you. You see, that's the kind of hell he give her every day. I call them besties. They give each other hell day in, day out. No break. Zero break. How you feel about your daughter crying? And
I was kinda.
Were you expecting that call when I called and said
Kinda. If you want, I was surprised when you tell me at first that she just went like this. So in my head, I was that just give me some little hope.
Oh yes.
That just give me some little hope because I didn't have much hope at first.
Me too.
That give me some little hope.
I was like, okay, she.
So then I was on the phone like, okay, she don't call me, and then when I tried to get you,
couldn't get me.
I couldn't get you, straight voicemail, and then the second time is ringing without answer, and then I say,
not good.
they have to call you, and so in my head. So when you called me, I was like, okay, that's what I
have in your head.
Yeah, so I'm not surprised. But
when I saw the number calling me, no name came up. It's a French number because I didn't have the school number in my phone. I was like, who is this? And I hate answering weird calls. So I answered, just say, Madame Delaveaus. Sarah is crying. Are you close by? I think you could, if you could come and pick her up earlier than usually, just to make her calm down a bit. When I go, her nose running, eye running.
Yeah, she just jumped and put herself in the
No, actually she was sitting in the principal's lap when I went. Okay. She was sitting in the principal's lap, but yet still crying. And I went there, opened the door, went in, stand watching her crying, and she didn't see me. So I didn't say anything. I wanted her to see me on her own. And then a few minutes later, like literally a minute, she looked up and she saw me and she jumped on the principal lap and come and hold on to my foot and say, Mama, Mama left. Mama left. Like, oh.
Yeah, we have to make her used to.
Yeah, we can't say, oh, we're not going to bring her back because she's crying.
No. We have to go back and we have
keep going
also
back.
To walk. At home, you leave, you let me alone with things like this.
Yeah, so, definitely. We can't just rely on school alone. We have to work also at home in terms of me just leaving her with Papa alone, because even with Papa sometimes if I go, she cry. Mama. Anyway, but it's a learning process. It's all a part of the process. So we don't
she
know
go a lot already, so that's gonna be the next step.
Step by step, and she has so many transitions to do from now till September. She have the passy to be taken away from her. She have night potty training to do. She have what else? Something else big that was in my head today. I don't remember what it is. But I don't remember what.
How to drive?
No, to take away her bottle. Her bottle needs to go. So we have a lot of transitions to do, but she'll get there step by step, little by little.
She'll be girl now.
As long as we stay on our A game and do what we're supposed to do, the transitions we'll need. I just don't want to throw in everything on her at once and make her go crazy. Step by step. We'll get there. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, send some love to Sarah, some positive vibe to Sarah, tell her she can do this. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.